Hello everyone, this is my latest creation, the 1999 Toyota GT1, and I'm actually testing this in my racetrack that I made years ago. So please don't complain since this racetrack is actually very old. I have actually yet to redesign it. Now this car is actually one of my most favorite cars in Le Mans. It nearly won Le Mans in 1999, but was beaten by the V12 LMR by BMW. One of the It's actually one of my most favorite cars of all time. Even though it never won, it did catch a lot of hearts by many people. um, Not only that, this car is actually, it set the fastest lap in 1999. It was driven by Yukio Katayama at that time. Unfortunately for the Toyota, they never returned in the 2000, but they did return like decades later, which then they won, but I forgot what year, but they did win. Like last year, I think Toyota won last year in Le Mans. I kind of forgot since I didn't really watch Le Mans at that time since I was kind of busy, and also I don't really know where to watch any of those since I don't really have any subscription to watch it. So I'm like just waiting for it to end and actually watch the highlights of the race. But still, it's still okay, and I really love the how the car actually turned out. Now this thing is actually, the headlights actually just a thin layer of the parts. Since I don't really like using stickers, since stickers kind of lag, and of course the helmet of this character is still sticking out since the game's chairs actually have limited position. So I this is the only thing I have. I did try using a twisters to actually change position like a little bit more upward, but no, it didn't work. Still okay. And of course it's not always entirely accurate. The equation is not entirely accurate, but it's still close enough. And I don't want to make it too fast, because if I make this car too fast, it actually ends up lifting the front uh, face, like what happened to my it's like what happened to my BMW LMDH, which I also made years ago. Still pretty nice, but I actually have yet to recreate it because that car is actually way too big. This one is a I tried making it in the accurate size, but still it's a nice car. And of course it's not always entirely accurate, since it's actually hard trying to make it accurate. I mean, in order for it to actually make it accurate, you can use the modded game of the game Drawbrick. However, I am not really a big fan of modding the game, since just it just feels better if you do it in in the vanilla way. Just exploited the game by using clipping. So overall, this car is pretty nice. Took me forever to make, especially I have to keep redesigning the front and the cockpit. Of course, the cockpit has no isn't realistic. This is the only thing it only has, but it's pretty nice. It's just that the if I try to make it accurate, it'll just take forever, and no one really looks at the interior. So I didn't make it accurate. So that's it. It's still a nice car. I love it. One of my most favorite cars in Le Mans.